We are. Hike 3, 2 days. Because we cray like that. We are on the Calumet River Trail in Mnoke, Prairie? Is that how you say it? Sure, we'll go with that. Chipmunk. And we are going, and we are doing this one in honor of Amy. Rest in peace, girl.
She lived well.
Yeah, her life was great.
Her boyfriend wasn't bad either.
Her boyfriend was pretty cute. We're assuming. I have no idea who the guy was. I parked right next to him though, so it was a little awkward. But anyway, yeah. But we don't want to look at my sweaty face, so I'll turn this thing around. Look at all the green beauty.
Just like the AT.
This is what I imagined the AT to look like.
Well, less benches.
Less benches and a smaller trail.
More white things.
And white blazes. And bugs and more smelly hikers with big backpacks. Less looks of what the heck are those two doing out here? They lost? Should I have packed more? I don't know, you read the sign. Some dude, I think his name was John Bailey, had this establishment. I didn't really read the sign. I was checking the trails. Well, he started, what I read was that he started a trading, or he had a trading company or whatever. So he would have had all the trading posts set up because we're by the river. One more sip. Not sure how good this footage is going to be, so I apologize in advance, but I'm trying.
Sorry.
Alright.
That your socks don't match and my socks also don't match.
Yay! I never wear matching socks. Very rare that you see me in matching socks.
I mean, I use the same, like, kind, but they don't necessarily match.
Yeah, no, it has to be like the same weight of sock. Would you like some baby powder for your blisters? Let's talk about blisters on the Shakedown hike. Fun. I don't recommend sandals, open-toed sandals. Well, I do and I don't, but like the open-toed sandals are nice, but then you get the sand burning your toes. Socks say who you want to have on blisters. She has one for me. She doesn't want to talk about it. It's on her foot. That butterfly is still hanging out on your hat.
Seriously?
Yeah. Where'd you go?
Probably not like the metamorphosis. They're making babies or something weird.
I don't know. I think you were walking so fast that he was getting blown over. So now he's on the back of your hat.
He must really like him.
She named him Fred.
All the bugs are correct.
He's like, if I stay on this thing, the birds won't eat me. You don't slap him off. Oh, Fred's still up there. I got Brad. I got Brad. I got the crappy one.
The black fly.
Yeah.
Is that what he
Biting
is?
me. He bit me. He left a hickey on my leg. Look. See that?
That was Brad.
Yeah, it was Brad. And it hurts. And then he went after my BFF, my hiking buddy, my HB.
HB. Oh.
Rude. It's like, I'm right here, dude.
Just ask. The answer's no. But
It was right after we broke up, too. This is why no one likes you, Brad.
go home, Brad.